March 11, 2026, Dallas, Texas. Police were tracking a wanted suspect, but the investigation started with a single, suspicious detail. An investigator noticed a black GMC Yukon sporting stolen government license plates. The officer realized he had seen that exact vehicle before, driven by a man he knew as Mike King, a man he had once worked alongside in the security industry. That realization blew the lid off a massive deception. When the fugitive unit moved in to arrest him, Robinson refused to surrender. He led police on a high-speed chase through the city, finally pulling his white Mercedes into the Children's Medical Center parking garage.
Hey, stop the car!
Stop the car!
Move your car, move your car. Stop!
Stop!
Go.
I don't think he knows that.
All right, come on. Yeah. Hey, Sarge, he rolled through this light on us. We're continuing on. We'll stop when you want us to. We're back by the state.
I'll keep my lights on.
By the station. He's just rolling through these lights on us. You sick? You have your lights on, right?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, he's not stopping. We've hit him plenty of times. He is northbound on Market, crossing Jackson.
He's just gonna keep going through. Yeah, no, he's...
Yeah, Sarge, he's not stopping. He's to Maine. Looks like he's going through Maine. He's going through a red light. Do we have any coverts with him? Negative. No, he's going through red lights now. All right, he's shooting across. He got all the way in the right-hand lane. He crossed Jackson. I think he continued straight. Get to the right. See if we can get eyes on him.
I don't know if he made it right or not.
His hand goes down. I'm sitting in this round. Yep. I need to know he's got that gun on him.
We want this to go peaceful. We want you to do what I ask you to do, and you won't get hurt. We don't want anybody to get hurt. It ain't working. I know you're on.
I got it.
All I want you to do is when you exit the car, let it fall. Let it fall. Don't reach for it. Don't do anything. And nothing will happen. But keep your hands up.
Stand up, I'm sitting this round.
You ready? What's your first name, man? Mike? Okay, Mike. Come on, get out. Get out. Keep your hands up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Put your hands up. Don't reach. Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on. This is it. Come on. Get out. Come on. Get out. Get out. Keep your hands up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Put your hand up. Don't reach. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hold, hold, hold.
Hey, get behind cover, Jay.
Hold.
Back the fuck up. Back the fuck up.
All right, hey, we're fine. Easy. Everybody good?
Get behind cover.
Is everybody good? Okay.
We go to the right. Go to the right.
Hey, watch your backs out. There's operators on that floor.
No.
Hey, walk away.
Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. This is it. Come on. Get out.
What do you mean this is it though?
Come on. Get out. Get out. Keep your hands up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Put your hand up. Don't reach. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Easy. Hey, get behind cover, Jeremy. Back up.
Gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun!
What shocked investigators wasn't just the shooting, it was the massive scale of the deception. The man killed by police was part of a congressional security team for U.S. Representative Jasmine Crockett. But how did a wanted fugitive get this close to power? Robinson didn't just apply for a job, he built a fortress of lies. Using the alias Mike King, he presented himself as a former federal agent with deep ties to law enforcement. He wasn't hired through a standard government background check. Instead, he was contracted as a private security firm, paid through campaign funds. Because he appeared so professional and even had off-duty police officers working for him, no one thought to double-check his real identity. But behind the image of a professional guard was a violent criminal history. His real name was Diamond Mazer Robinson. He was a convicted felon with a record dating back to 2009, including burglary, vehicle theft, and evading arrest. At the time of the standoff, he was a wanted fugitive with felony warrants for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and continuous family violence. But here's what makes this case even more disturbing. He wasn't just a guard. He ran a private security operation and actually hired off-duty police officers to work under him while being a wanted man himself. He used false identities, forged credentials, and even operated a vehicle with police-style equipment and stolen plates. He wasn't hiding from the system. He was operating inside it. Suspect identified as Diamond Mazer Robinson, also known as Mike King. At the time of the incident, he was a wanted fugitive with active felony warrants for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and continuous family violence. His criminal history included burglary, felony theft, and evading arrest. Using false identities and forged credentials, he operated within the security industry, even hiring off-duty police officers while being wanted himself. The incident ended in an officer-involved shooting in Dallas, Texas. This case reveals a critical failure of identity, of trust, and of the system itself.